Welcome to the second video. We are going to do a number of exciting things. The first is we are going to get rid of the pivot report we created at the end of our last video. In that last video, we tried to put the different indicators where we have values, put years where we have row, and put country where we have filter in order to generate this, where we have the different indicators by years. So here we are going to get rid of this completely, and then we will generate something. So when we get rid of it, we will generate a table. After, we are going to use that table to create different pivot tables. So we will create 8 pivot tables, 4 pivot tables, whereby we will examine the different indicators by years. Okay? And the next 4 pivot table, we will examine the different indicators by the countries. So you can see we have 4 countries. In other words, we are going to choose 4 countries and 5 countries, please. So once we have these 8 pivot tables, we are going to generate charts and use them to create a dashboard, as you can see here. Here you have 4 tables whereby we are looking at how things change across time. And here you are looking at how things change. You are looking at the distribution based on countries. So you are putting things together. Now on your right hand, you have the slicers. Here, for example, if you click, it's going to show you. Okay, let me repeat. The countries here have been linked to the 4 tables, to the 4 charts where you have change by years. So if you click here, for example, you can see the situation of Canada across years, the situation of Germany, of Mexico, of United Kingdom, and of United States. And of course, if you want to see United States and Canada, you can hit Control on your keyboard and click there, and you will see both of them. Now you can come here and click on the X to uncheck all of it. On the other hand, these graphs have been linked to years. So if you want to see the performance of these 5 countries in 2018, you can just click here. And 2017, you can click there. And if you want to see over the 18-year span, you can come and click here to uncheck and select everything. Now, this timeline has been linked to all of them. So if, for example, you simply want to see what has happened in the past 5 years, you can come and click 2018, and then you can pull all the way down to 2014, and you can see what happened during the past 5 years. If you want the past 4 years, you can move up, and you will see the change, and you can do the same. You can go up, and you can keep going up to zoom in and study the changes. So that's what a dashboard can do, and in a few minutes we are going to do it together. So not only will you get rid of what we initially did last week, but you will use Power Query to do some filtering, create the table. From the table, we will create the pivots, and from the pivots, we are going to create the dashboard. So I'll click X here to get rid of that, and you can see everything. It's linked together. So let's start having fun with it.